Hello students, I am Babita Bhatnagar of Jagran Public School. Today we will study chapter 7 of class 7 science, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate part 2. Students, in part 1 we have learnt about the climate and weather, different type of the weather which is found in our country and over the world, and how to measure the weather, different factors which affect the weather. And now in this part 2 we will learn about the different type of the climate and the animals who live over there and their adaptations. Different type of the climates are hot and dry, wet, tropical rainforest, polar climate, desert climate, etc. Habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is a place where the conditions are favorable for an organism to live, breed and flourish. The weather and the climatic conditions of one habitat differs from the other. Therefore, the organisms are suited or adapted to live in that particular habitat. So, types of habitat on earth. There are two types of habitat on the earth, aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat are of also two types, marine habitat and freshwater habitat. Marine habitat means seawater and salty water. Fresh means like lake water, river water, pond water. Terrestrial habitat, like which is on the ground. Grassland, desert, tundra, mountain and tropical habitat. Children, as you can see in the table, various types of habitats are given over here, like marine habitat. Marine habitat means sea and ocean, and which contain the salt water. The example of marine habitats, organisms which live in marine habitats are sea turtle, whale, seaweed and various types of fishes. Freshwater means the streams, river, ponds and lake water. The organisms which live over there are water hyacinth, various types of fish. Grassland. The climate over there is windy, dry area of grass. So organisms which live over there are which feed on the grass, like deer, zebra, giraffe and leopard. So leopard is carnivores. So they live, this herbivorous animals live over there. So these carnivorous animals, they just feed on these herbivorous animals. Tropical rainforest. The climate over there is warm and wet. The example of organisms over there, monkeys, snakes and lizard. Desert. You know, as desert is very hot and dry. So organism who can survive in desert climate is camel and cactus. In plants, it is cactus only. Tundra. Tundra is very cold and dry, and this place always covered with snow. The organisms live over there are polar bear and reindeer. Mountain. It is cold and windy, and there might be snowfall over there. Organisms which live over there are mountain goat, yak, sheep and pines. Tropical region. You know children, the tropical region and the polar regions. These are the two regions on the earth which has extreme climatic condition. You understand what is extreme climatic condition? Means it is very cold over there at the polar region and hot and humid in the tropical region. So where this region is found on the earth, tropical region. The region around the equator of the earth called the tropical region, where the sun shines directly overhead, get the maximum heat from the sun and have a very hot climate. Polar region. The poles of the earth are at the maximum distance from the sun. The polar regions of the earth receives the minimum amount of sun's heat. So the polar regions of the earth have an extremely cold climate. You know children, on the poles the sun does not set for 6 months and it does not appear for another 6 months. So 6 months night is there and 6 months day is there, and the temperature is extremely low, like minus 37 degree Celsius. So this makes the climatic condition very harsh and extreme. In spite of this harsh climatic condition, some animals live over there, like polar bear, penguin and snow leopard. So in this chapter we will learn about the features or adaptation which help these animals to survive in this climatic condition. Subtropical zone. Subtropical zone are the regions of the earth bordering on the tropics, just north of the Tropic of Cancer or just south of the Tropic of Capricorn. In subtropical zone, summers are hot and wet and winters are cold and dry. Rainfall is quite common. Subtropical zone in India are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Bihar, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. Alpine zone. Alpine zone, you have seen the high peak of Himalaya which is covered with snow. That is Alpine zone. This can be experienced at high altitude of the Himalayas. And all the time these zones is covered with the snow. Alpine zone is a type of natural region that does not contain trees because it is at high altitude which is too cold and windy to support tree growth. Indian states that lie in the Alpine zone are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Arid zone. A region is arid when it is characterized by a severe lack of available water to the extent of preventing the growth and development of the plant and animal life. The arid region lies in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Temperature is as high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. Tropical zone. The area of the earth near both sides of the equator is called tropical regions. The tropical regions have hot and humid climate. An important feature of the tropical region is the tropical rainforest. In India, tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat and Assam. A large variety of plants and animals are found in tropical rainforests because of highly favorable climatic conditions such as continuous rainfall, warmth and plenty of food. Tropical region of the world. The tropics are regions of the earth that lie roughly in the middle of the globe. The tropics between the latitude lines of the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The tropics include the equator and part of North America, South America, Africa, Asia and Australia. Students, now we will learn about the animals which are found in the tropical rainforest. For example, elephant, toucan, red-eyed frog, monkeys, lions and tigers, lion-tailed macaw. Children, as you can see in the picture, these are the different animals which are found in tropical rainforest. This is monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, insects, birds and snakes. Adaptation of the elephant. Elephants are another common animals which can survive in Indian tropical rainforest. They have well-developed sense of smell. It helps the elephant in finding the food. The trunk has powerful muscles which help the elephant in uprooting even a big trees. Elephants have good sense of hearing which help the elephant in sensing the danger away in advance. Large ears of the elephant help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate. It works like a fan. Children, you must have seen the tusk of elephant. The tusk are modified teeth which helps it to tear the barks of trees to eat. Arboreal animals. Many animals in tropical rainforests are adapted to live in trees. These are called arboreal animals. For example, monkeys, red-eyed frog, as you can see in the picture. Features of arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? The animals which spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Monkeys, snakes, lizards, squirrels, these are the some example of arboreal animals. Like monkeys have strong arms and claws to climb tree, and they have long tails to wrap around the branches and hang. Like some animals like frog, they have a sticky pad, so they will be able to stick to the tree trunks, and they are green in color, so they can camouflage with the surrounding. Monkeys are highly adapted to live in the rainforest. A monkey uses its palm and soles to grip a branch, and thus it can swing from a branch. It can also use its tail to hold a branch. Monkeys can climb to the topmost branch of a tree and thus can see very far in the forest. This helps them in sensing the danger and also in finding the food. Adaptation in toucan. Toucans have a hard beak that helps by cracking nuts, fruits, and insects. Toucans' big eyes help spot their food. Toucans' black feathers help them blend in with the canopy trees. The long-billed bird toucan's claws on each leg help it to stand on trees. Its long dented bill easily reaches the fruits, and color of its feather helps it to blend into the surrounding. And its sharp, short claws help get a good grip on the trees. Behavioral adaptation in toucan. You know, toucan fly very fast when they want to catch their prey, and they just sneak up on their prey in the air only. They fly high in the canopy if some predator is chasing them, because predator cannot go inside the canopy. Toucan, when there is a scarcity of the food in the forest, toucan eat other baby toucans. And when they sleep, what do? They tuck their bills backward and lay their bills over their backs. Then they tip their tails up to cover their bills. They hide their bills by their tail, so they don't get eaten by the predators while sleeping in the trees. Children, as you can see in the first picture, toucan is holding the branch firmly with its sharp and strong claws. In second picture, toucan is flying with a high speeds to catch the prey. In third picture, toucan is sleeping and its bill is laid on its back and tail is tipped over the bill. So its predator cannot spot it. Adaptation of cat and leopards. The big cat and leopards have flexible bodies designed for running, jumping, and climbing. Their intestines are short as they only digest meat and not vegetable matter. Their sharp teeth are like scissors to tear the flesh. They hunt at night because they have larger field of vision. Camouflage. Camouflage is also called cryptic coloration. This is a defense or tactic that organisms use to disguise their appearance, usually to blend in with their surroundings. Organisms use camouflage to mask their location, identity, and movement. This allows prey to avoid the predators and for predators to sneak up on prey. And the example of the animals which use camouflage is chameleon, stick insect, and tigers are having the strip. These are the example of camouflage. Students, now we will learn about the adaptations in the animals which are found in the polar regions. Which animals are found in the polar regions? Like these animals are polar bears, seals, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian crane, and many types of fishes. You know, as we have discussed earlier that polar regions are very cold. Temperature is as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Throughout the year, most of the part is covered with snow, and 6 months the sun does not rise, and another 6 months the sun does not set. Children, in this picture you can see the animals which are found in the polar region, like polar bear, musk oxen, reindeers, penguins, foxes. All of them have thick fur on their bodies to survive in the harsh climatic condition. Features which are found in polar bear to survive in the harsh climatic conditions are the layer of fat, white fur, long curved and sharp claws, and a strong sense of smell. And the Siberian crane, uh, they just migrate to the hot places in winter. And penguins, their body is streamlined, thick skin, lot of fat is found in the penguin, and they huddle together, they stick together to keep them warm. These are some other animals which are found in the polar regions like leopard seal, walrus, Arctic wolf. Children, now we will learn in detail about the features of polar bear. Polar bear is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. Children, what other features do the polar bear have? Yes, they have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow, and this white fur helps in catching their prey. They have two layers of fur to protect them from the extreme cold. They have a layer of fat under the skin which also protect them from cold. Their paws are wide and large which help them to walk on the snow and to swim in water. They have a strong sense of smell which helps them to catch their prey. Children, now as you can see in the picture, these are the various adaptations which are found in the polar bear to survive in the harsh climatic condition like from the extreme cold. They have white fur which is not easily visible in the snowy white background, so predators and prey are unable to see it. And they have two layers of fur. These two layers of fur keep them warm from the cold weather. They have very strong sense of smell. This helps the bear to locate the prey and catch it. It has long, curved and sharp claws. This helps it to walk on the snow. They have a layer of fat under the skin, and this fat insulates the body from cold and keep them warm. Children, as you can see in the picture, the polar bear has two thick layer of fur, layer of fat under the skin, and they are good swimmer. Their wide and large paws help them to walk on the snow, and long curved and sharp claws are there, and they have strong sense of food. So these are the adaptation of polar bears. Children, now we will learn about the adaptations in penguins. Penguins are aquatic, flightless birds living almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. Adaptations of penguin. The penguins huddle together to keep themselves warm. They have black and white body which blends with the surroundings. To conserve heat, penguins may tuck in their flippers close to their bodies. They also may shiver to generate additional heat. There is thick fat layer which prevents the loss of body heat. The dark color of penguins' dorsal surface absorbs heat from the sun, which increases body temperature. It has webbed feet to swim in water. Children, as you can see, the various adaptations of penguin, like their ventral side is white and their dorsal side is black in color. They have thick skin. Their lot of fat is there under the skin, and they move in the group to keep themselves warm. Students, now we have come to an end of this learning session. I hope you all have understood this lesson well. Thank you and have a nice day. I want to thank to my team members who all helped me in making this video. I also want to thank to IT department. Thank you.